In this video, we'll show you how to install a front alignment camber kit on your Ford F-150. This is located in the front of the vehicle and part of the suspension system. Let's get started. We can remove the nut with a 27 millimeter. Before installing our shim, I'm just going to apply a little bit of anti-seize to the stud and a little bit on the back side. On the outboard side of the subframe, we have a small hole. We'll go ahead and line up the stud on the back side of the shim. We can start to thread on our outer nut. I'm going to hold the nut on the front side with a 27 millimeter. And we're going to turn the bolt from the back side with a 22 millimeter. Now we can go ahead and torque this using a 21 millimeter on the back side. You have to use the bolt to torque this. You cannot torque it using the nut. We'll torque this to 258 foot-pounds. Now that we have it installed, you want to bring your vehicle down to your local service station and have an alignment performed.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.